Hey everybody, it's Nathan Selove from Oakcroft Films, and today we actually have something a little different. I actually recently ordered this. This is the Indy Crane. It's a jib, and I ordered it, and we are going to do an unboxing of it. Now, to be perfectly honest, I have never worked with a jib in my life, so we're gonna see how well this works, and we're hopefully gonna try to get some sample shots in there as well. So here you go. All right. So first thing you get when you take the box when you open the box is you get first this instruction sheet and this I guess this billing sheet. In case you're interested, this costs $374. So you can get it off. So we got this one off Amazon, right? Or was it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's right. Yeah. Oh, and this is my dad, so he's gonna help me. All right. So here's the box. So I guess when you first open it up, you have paper right here. So start pulling these pieces of paper out. All right.
Is there anything else in there?
More paper. All right. But yeah, this is it. Ooh, lots and lots of bubble wrap. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. Things that come out.
Crane pieces?
Crane pieces, yeah. Lots of bubble wrap. So here's the thing where the camera goes. Yeah, that's the thing where the camera goes. And here are this appears to be the screws right there. Okay, we have stuff that I guess we'll figure out what these do later.
Any idea how far out these legs should be going?
Oh yeah. Probably where they're still on the floor, I guess. Yeah, so probably like that.
Oh, okay, these are the 3, 4, 5, shoot, there's a bunch of.
Wow.
So this pin is supposed to hold something.
I guess it's supposed to hold this up. Here.
Where are those instructions in?
Let's see. Yeah.
Right, so insert pin through hole of crane stand. Hole number 1 is recommended. It's recommending that we use hole 1, so I will put it on hole 1.
Assuming that this is the part that attaches to the stand,
And I'll tighten.
Charlie, our dog's downstairs. All 5 of them.
Attach crane base to stand. Leave knob 1 loose to allow planning of the crane. Knob 1 is on that.
Yeah.
So I tightened this one down here.
Okay.
And I tightened this one up here.
All right. So
and how does this go? So this just drops.
I guess. Like I said, neither of us have ever used a jib before, so yeah, learning experience. This would have to be the last crane section because this is where you put the camera.
Alright, so this has to come out. So are we going to do the whole length of it the first time?
Yeah. See, I'm not sure if we need to have this extra one, if that's required, but that gives us extra length, so I
I
think
think
that
you
since we have.
can put that one directly onto here
Yeah,
and use a shorter.
yeah.
And I think that for indoors, you might mostly want a
Yeah,
shorter
probably.
one.
Probably, but for outdoors, you know. This is definitely not going to fit in that suitcase.
No.
Oh, Indy Jib. Yep, there you go. Indy Jib.
See, that it's time to back this up a little bit.
Yeah, probably. Probably.
Right, let's set this on the
Okay.
counter over
So
here.
this would be how to control. Okay, so
That'll
this
control tilt.
this lever will control tilt, it appears. All right. So
And then this.
oh, okay. I know what that is. Yeah.
This
So
is
that
the one
yeah.
that you use to lock it.
Okay, this screw, yeah, I think we put that in there to lock it, so that way when it's panning, it stays forward.
And that's what
Yeah.
this. No, that can't be. This must be for the weight.
Yeah.
Is there? I don't see anything.
I don't think that has anything to keep it moving.
All right. So then back here
We actually already have steel counterweight, and we're going to be, yeah, these are okay, that's what these are. These are for holding the camera on. So we're going to go ahead and attach the camera onto it, and then see how that works out, and you'll get to see shots from it. All right, so the camera is now on the jib. We actually had to put on some extra weight when we put the camera on there. There's now 21 pounds on it. And again, this is shooting with my Canon XA10. So we're going to do some pan shots. So we're going to start at my feet and see how smooth it goes. So it's going down to my feet. Okay. Now we're going to go up to the ceiling. Alright, that looks good. Alright, sweet. So now we're gonna take some test shots around certain places at my house to just kind of give you a feel of, you know, the smoothness of the crane, and, you know, to see what it can do. So let's do that. Alright, so this has been an unboxing video of the Indy Jib. We assembled it, we showed you some shots, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now the jib itself is about $370. You can get it off Amazon, and so far, I'm really liking it. We'll use it in other films, see how much, see what we can do with it. But right now, I really like it. So check it out, and subscribe to my YouTube. Check out other videos, and we will see you later.